Nvidia just received 4 major bullish signals. Here's what investors need to know. Nvidia is back in the spotlight, and this time, it's not because of a new earnings report or a stock price surge. Instead, 4 major developments from the past few days suggest that demand for Nvidia's AI technology remains incredibly strong. And for long-term investors, these signals may be even more important than short-term stock movements. Let's break down what's happening. The first major development comes from South Korea. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang announced new partnerships with SK Telecom, Naver, and other leading technology companies in the country. The goal is to build large-scale AI infrastructure and so-called AI factories. Why does this matter? Because AI factories require enormous amounts of computing power. As companies and governments race to develop artificial intelligence, they need advanced chips and data centers to support it. Nvidia is positioning itself as the key supplier behind that infrastructure. But that's only the beginning. The second bullish development involves memory technology, one of the most critical components in modern AI systems. Nvidia has signed a new multi-year agreement with SK Hynix to develop next-generation memory for AI servers. Jensen Huang also warned that shortages of AI memory could continue for years because demand is growing faster than supply. This is significant because advanced memory has become one of the biggest bottlenecks in AI development. By strengthening its relationship with SK Hynix, Nvidia is working to secure a critical part of its future supply chain. The third development may be the most important of all. South Korea's government announced that it wants priority access to Nvidia's upcoming Vera Rubin GPUs. Think about that for a moment. The chips haven't even launched yet, and governments are already competing to secure supply. This tells us 2 things. First, demand for AI computing power continues to rise globally. Second, many organizations expect future Nvidia chips to remain difficult to obtain because demand may exceed supply. We've already seen this happen with previous generations of AI hardware, including Blackwell. Now, investors are seeing signs that the same trend could continue with Vera Rubin. Finally, there's the stock itself. After a broad sell-off in AI-related stocks last week, Nvidia shares bounced back alongside other semiconductor companies. While short-term price movements are always difficult to predict, the recovery suggests that investors remain confident in the long-term AI growth story. And that's the key takeaway. The most bullish news today isn't that Nvidia's stock moved higher. It's that governments, technology companies, and entire countries are competing for access to Nvidia's future products. When customers are fighting to secure supply before a product is even released, it usually signals exceptionally strong demand. Looking ahead to 2027, investors will be watching whether Nvidia can continue meeting demand for both Blackwell and Vera Rubin systems. If demand remains at current levels, Nvidia could continue expanding revenue at a pace few companies in history have achieved. The AI race is no longer just about software. It's about infrastructure, computing power, memory, and access to the most advanced chips in the world. And right now, Nvidia remains at the center of that race. What do you think? Can Nvidia maintain its dominance through 2027, or is competition finally starting to catch up? Follow for more stock market updates.